Hi, Zach. Enjoying your V8
Yeah.
and your sandwich? What kind is it? What's in it?
Turkey and ham.
Ooh, mustard? Mayo? Oh. You should have... Never mind. What does Dodd have for lunch? Yuck.
Is that banana bread?
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Waters. Zach. Well, viewers, this is me and Ons last week in Winnipeg. What do you think about that?
I think it sucks.
Why? Because it feels like we just got here, eh?
Yeah.
So it feels like to me too.
Like, you guys didn't even really have you in here yet.
I know, we haven't even been to Polo Park yet.
You should take us there, Zach.
We better come out to Thunder Bay then.
We have to come out, we have to have a video game play date before I leave.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow.
Or maybe I can double date with you and Ingrid tonight.
Who are you bringing?
My friend?
Which one?
I don't know. I have to get one. Are you guys going up for supper?
No.
What? Movie? Ice cream? What?
Ice cream?
Hanging out.
Where?
Hmm?
Where?
Where?
Yeah. Where?
I don't know.
Look, you don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
Don't know yet.
Damn it, look at my battery.
You don't know.
Half battery and then it goes last and it empties and then it fills up again. Holy crap. Can I have some? Oh.
He got lucky. There was a guy that lost his sight and he lost his motorcycle license. So the guy basically was just selling it.
Right there's a Harley Davidson. See the silver writing? Harley Davidson.
So Zach got super lucky because his
Whoa, look at all that carpet.
probably 6,000, 7,000.
9.
No, 9,000? Yeah, around 9,000.
Parts alone, there's almost $4,000 on it.
Zach, let's discuss our deal on,
Kyle,
what?
can you give me a spoon, please?
Why?
So I can eat this.
You don't have to yell.
Hey,
I'm not yelling.
You don't have to scream.
I asked you like 6 times when you were looking in the window.
Stop hurting my feelings.
You don't have the feelings.
Kyle, take a picture of my motorcycle now so Mom can see.
I just did.
Oh.
I zoomed in on the skull.
Yeah, but do the whole bike so she can see.
I got the whole bike suit.
In case I don't have it when I come to see you.
Whole bike. Hey, I'm talking. You're on camera right now, and you're talking to Mom right now. It's her voice. Zach, let's discuss on camera about our little deal.
Okay.
Why? Top secret.
Yeah, it's not meant to be on camera.
It's not meant to be on
That's just
camera.
between you.
It's between.
between.
It's none of your viewers' business.
Exactly.
Yeah, viewers.
Always trying to get nosy, those viewers of yours.
I know. You jive turkey out there? If you're watching this, you're a bastard. Dare you watch these videos and then give her comments? I'll find you. And when I do, you're gonna get it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know where that guy lives.
It's probably a girl.
No, it's a guy.
It's a girl.
How do you know?
She commented on looks.
Oh yeah,
And if it's a guy who commented on their looks,
he's gay.
you're gay, man. You are gay.
in other words, Jack Tripper.
I hope at least it was a girl.
I don't think it was.
Probably a guy. And if it was a girl who commented, probably she's nasty herself.
Yeah. You know, she/he had nothing on his channel.
It's because he doesn't want to show his face. Because he's embarrassed.
No, but I went on the channel, right? He didn't have anything to describe himself. No background.
He has no personality.
Yeah, I don't think...
Name.
What?
What was the name?
Jive Turkey something was the username. Wait, I'll show you. No, all you have to do is synchronize that.
No.
Here, I'll get it myself.
No. No.
Here, just like this.
Stop that.
Hold this.
No.
Hold this. Hey,
You're hurting me.
don't close it. Don't tape yourself. Damn it. It's too busy. Whatever. Tape some other time showing it. Okay?
What?
I'll show you next time. Cause what?
Coach is rude.
Why? What did he say?
He's making up lies and rumors that I threatened him.
What did he say?
Complain to your dad. Said for your dad to talk to me.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did my dad talk to you?
No, he just told me what he said. He didn't talk to me.
Tell me what he said. You like saying it on camera?
I just think Coach has lost my respect. I think he's an idiot.
Well, that's actually kind of true. Oh yeah, Coach. If you don't know who he is, or maybe you do, he's the guy on one of my videos, Camping We Will Go, part whatever.
Butt crack, man.
Yeah. The video that says Camping We Will Go, whatever part, and then it says don't get addicted to crack in brackets. Funny, eh?
Anyways, it was just annoying.
So you're not gonna tell me what he said?
I said I threatened him.
Threatened?
Yeah.
You said threaded.
Yeah, threatened him.
Sounds like you said threaded, like
Mhm.
thread.
Did you guys have
Shredded.
some lunch? No.
I had banana bread. It's good.
Amber? Eat some lunch. You want this?
No.
I want banana bread too.
I'm not
I'll have
eating
this.
Kyle, you already ate all the other banana bread.
Nah, Dad. Did Coach tell you that Zach threatened him? How did you threaten him, or was it just a
He never
joking?
said how.
Or was it just a joking response you said to him, or making it up?
No, he just says I threatened him, but he didn't say how.
What a bitch. Wow. Bit and
It's annoying.
sandwich from my lunch. I know. Don't you hate him? You hate him now?
Nah, I don't hate him. I don't think I can hate him, but I
But-
really don't like him now.
Has he lost your respect?
Oh, 100%.
Has he lost your friendship to him? And your friendship is...
I don't want to do anything nice for him.
Your friendship, you guys' friendship has been broken. You don't know if it'll be fixed. You don't know if it can ever be fixed.
This isn't a Mario show, Kyle.
What? What?
I'm gonna call you Kyle Springer.
Yeah, but your guys' friendship has been broken, and you don't know if it can ever be
I
fixed.
just offered you food.
What?
I just offered you food.
Yeah, let's take it.
Amber!
I'll bring it back. I just need to make one.
Don't worry, Zach. I'll get it back for you. Steamroller! Oh!
Give me cheese.
Give me cheese.
Come on, I need some cheese.
Not now, you just stole it.
And you never say please. You just
Yeah,
go,
you
gimme.
grab it. Get it. Too bad.
Yeah. Okay, I'm turning this off now because it's been 9 minutes. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Wait. Say it again.
Bye.